My favorite thing about working in the water industry is I didn't realize the many facets of the water industry, from legislative to regulatory, legal, operational, and many more. It takes a lot of dedicated and talented people to run a water district, and Mesa Water is fortunate to have an abundance. My favorite part about my job is, of course, the people I work with. But the other part I truly enjoy is when we get together to collaborate to come up with some fun themes and ideas for the all-employee meetings to make it more exciting and fun for them as well. I hope that our customers realize that Mesa Water leadership and employees truly care about the community and being able to supply safe, reliable water for generations to come.